question. A student titrated 25.0 centimeter cube of HCl with 0.10 mole per dm³ of sodium hydroxide solution. If 20.0 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide was required for complete neutralization, what is the concentration of HCl solution? These are the options. Equation for the reaction. Now, to make it very easy for us, let's bring out the formula for solving this. Ca Va over Cb Vb equals to Na over Nb. Now, the mole ratio of acid to base here is 1:1. That's 1:1. Now, our Ca is what we are looking for. The question is, what is the condition of HCl solution? Now, HCl is the acid. So this is condition of acid. We are looking for Ca unknown. Va, the volume of acid. The student titrated 25 centimeter cube of HCl. That is the volume of acid. That's a Va equals to 25.0 centimeter cube with 0.10 mole per dm of sodium hydroxide. That is the concentration of base in mole per dm. That is Cb. Our Cb is 0.10 mole per dm³. And it was required for complete neutralization. So what is the condition of HCl? Now, NANB is 1:1. That is, the value is 1:1. So if you add it, it's nothing. If you add it, 1 times the number you get, it will give you 1. Na is 1. Let me do like this. So NB is also 1. Now, let's sort in the values. Ca times Va is 25 all over Cb. Our Cb is 0.1 times Vb. Our Vb is volume of base. Oh, do we have this volume of base? The volume of base is in the question is E20 centimeter cube of this. So volume of base is 20. So let me put it here. Volume of base, that's Vb equals to 20.0 centimeter cube equals to Na is 1 all over Nb. That's 1. So if you cross multiply here, we have 25 Ca equals to 0.1 times 20. To get our Ca, divide both sides by 25. So 25 will cancel out 25. So when you multiply 0.1 times 20 divided by 25, you have 0.08. That is the condition of acid, the mole per dm³. So the correct answer here is option B. So continue to like our channel, subscribe. We have YouTube, Chemistry Made Easy Daily on YouTube, subscribe. On Facebook, Chemistry Made Easy, follow. And TikTok, so chemistry_Ayodele, chemistry_with Ayodele over. God bless you.